Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this easy fall Dollar Tree decor. So first you'll need a pack of balloons. You're going to need some twine and some Elmer's glue to make a light up twine pumpkin. You'll also need some string lights. So first you're going to blow up your balloon to whatever size you want it to be. And then you're just going to go ahead and wrap that twine all over, covering the balloon. This is one roll I'm using right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover that with the glue. You can use Mod Podge or Elmer's glue. And then I will add the second roll of twine, continuing to cover that balloon and adding more Mod Podge over it. Then let it sit and dry at least overnight, just till it dries really well. Okay, so now that the twine has dried completely, you're gonna go ahead and pop that balloon. Since I added so much Mod Podge, it didn't really pop, so I just take the scissors and continue to poke it throughout. And then on the top of the twine, where the circle is on top, you're just gonna go ahead and fold that in a little, just so that it's not so round and it's more shaped like a pumpkin. And then you're gonna do that to the center bottom as well, just a little. Then you can go ahead and reach in and just remove the rest of that balloon. Next step is I have this natural raffia here from Dollar Tree, and this one is like the fall color ones. I'm using this orange one, and I just cut to the size that I want it. We're using this for the stem. So here where I cut, I'm just folding it in and then leaving a few strands out so I can wrap it around. Then I just take some hot glue and just glue it down. Then we're going to take this and glue it to the top of the pumpkin, being the stem for the pumpkin. Here I have some string lights from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to go ahead and just feed those string lights right in the pumpkin here through the bottom part of it. I went ahead and added the batteries, and then we're just going to glue the very end of the string to the twine, leaving the battery pack out. So here I have these burlap leaves, also from the Dollar Tree, and then I actually didn't like both of them on there, so I ended up just leaving the burlap tan one and removing the orange one. So next part of the DIY is I have this little sign here from the Dollar Tree, and I actually made another DIY with these signs a few days ago. I'm going to leave that link. Be sure to check that out if you haven't yet. So we're just going to go ahead and paint right over this canvas. I'm using chalk paint. And I've noticed that when you use the chalk paint on this canvas, it actually crackles, which is a really cool effect as well. So here I'm just gluing on these 10 thankful signs that come in a 3-pack at Dollar Tree. They have Harvest, Thankful, and Welcome. And I'm taking some more of that raffia and just tying it to the edges of the sign and securing it in the back with some hot glue. So here's the final result, guys. This is the twine light up pumpkin. As you can see, here is the pumpkin with only the one burlap leaf. I just think it looked better like this. and I really love the way it came out. And with the lights inside, it just makes it even nicer. Over here is the thankful sign, which I think came out really cute as well, perfect for fall, and that kind of farmhouse rustic feel. There you can see all the crackle on the paint. Back there I just have a little orange milk container and the faux cotton flowers from Dollar Tree. And then I just added some of those burlap pumpkins from Dollar Tree as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this really easy Dollar Tree DIY. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.